Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Todoist labels and filters for deeper workflow control, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your Todoist app or website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Locate the left-hand sidebar. Find the section titled Labels. If you don't see labels, click on Filters to access it. To create a new label, locate the plus button next to Labels. Click on the plus button. Enter a name for your new label. Choose a color for your label if desired. Click Add to save your new label. Next, to enable filters, return to the left-hand sidebar. Click on Filters. If you don't have any filters set up, click the plus button next to Filters. Enter a name for your new filter. In the filter query box, input the criteria you want to use. For example, you can type "add your label" to filter tasks by the label you just created. You can also combine multiple criteria using operators like and for and or for or. Assign a color to your filter if it helps you identify it easily. Click Add to save your new filter. Now, your newly created labels and filters should appear in the sidebar. To assign labels to tasks, open a task you wish to edit. Click on the label field within the task details. Select the label or labels you want to apply. Click Save to confirm your changes. To use your filters, simply click on the desired filter in the sidebar. This will display all tasks matching the filter criteria. Adjust the filter criteria as needed for further customization. Now you can utilize labels and filters to gain deeper control over your workflow in Todoist. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.